Hello and welcome back to Big Jules Tech. Today, obviously, I'm still trying to improve the smart home that we've got now. And one of the things that I wanted to look at was smart lighting. Now, I've looked at the Philips Hue and I've gone for the Philips Hue. There are so many different new ones out there now. But the reason why I've gone for the Philips Hue is because they've just got such a range of products, from LED strip lighting, to outside lighting, to smart switches, obviously all controlled from the hub. So it's all in one place and it's nice and neat. And also what I like here is it works with the Apple HomeKit, but it's also compatible with Amazon, Google and the SmartThings app. So obviously I haven't said them just so it doesn't activate anything in your home. But so it can work off the Apple Assistant through the Home Kit, which is what I like as well. And what I've gone for here is the B22 Starter Kit, which includes the hub, the switch, and I've gone for the ambient 3 coloured lights. So I've got the coloured LED lights, I've got 3 of those with the bayonet fitting, and obviously the bridge in there included. So there is, I think it's the E27, which is a screw filament, and then there's the GU10s, which are just normal, what I would call sort of downlighters, spotlights types, which comes as the starter kit. This was £169 at the time of filming this. However, we paid £139 because we got it from Curry's. However, the Curry's price match, we looked online and AO had it cheaper when we went to get this, so we ended up getting it at a discounted rate. So it's always worth looking and shopping round to see if you're interested in something like this when the prices drop down. We just missed out over the Christmas period because I think it had dropped down a little bit more, but they were all selling out everywhere, so we ended up getting it for that price, and to be fair, up to press, I've been really happy with it. So unboxing, what do you actually get in the box? So let's have a look. I have already opened it to make this a little bit easier. So obviously, going through from the outside, it's able to get apps from the Google Play and also from the App Store, so the Android side and also the Apple side, iOS operating system. Warm light, cool light, and 16 million colours from the LEDs that come within the Philips Hue bulbs themselves. Obviously that works on a wheel, so you've got all the range of colour that you want to change it to, and you can also activate those with some of the smart assistants as well. So obviously, looking at the box as we open it up, as you can see here, we've got the hub itself, which is, it's quite a fair size. I would say if you've got an Apple TV, it's a similar diameter and size to the Apple TV hub that I've currently got, the Apple 4. We've got the remote, so the remote switch, which is obviously magnetic, and here you can see you can either put it magnetically to something on the wall, or you've got strips which will stick there as well. So we've got the remote, we've got the hub. That simply comes with your 5 volt DC 1 amp input, which is provided, and also your LAN stroke your Ethernet import. And just looking on the back, if you're wanting to affix it to the wall, obviously you've got a space there to be able to hang it on a screw, and also centre it so that it doesn't move left to right. It's also got some rubber corners, so if you're putting it on a slippy surface or a glass table, then it won't move. And that's everything on the outside, the top and the bottom of the hub. So moving on, obviously here's your code to scan if you're using the Apple HomeKit, and then you have the all important instructions here to the left hand side, which will probably be easier to get out with the box out. So Philips Hue instructions there. That's all in another language. So these are the English ones: personal wireless lighting. this is really simple to set up. In the HomeKit app, I have literally plugged it in, found it, synced to it, pressed the button, and it automatically tells you what to do. Then it even gives you a picture of like a cat pressing a paw or a dog or something. Really easy, and then it's all linked up, and then you can set it all up as you want for different bulbs, to different rooms, colours, however you want to do it. So then, I'm not going to get these out, but as you can see, these are the B22, the bayonet style. So they're exactly the same, 3 light bulbs in the kit, and in the bottom of the box here, I will leave this over here so you can see, we have the power adapter, and so the power adapter with a universal plug. So obviously you can use the Continental 2-pin or the UK style 3-pin to plug into there, and the Ethernet cable. So that simply goes into the back of your router, into the hub, and that'll give you power. So that's everything that's in the box. So there you go. It's pretty simple. There's relatively little amounts to it. So you've got your 3 lights, which are the colour lights. So I've gone for the more expensive kit. You can get it with 2 white and ambient bulbs, and the hub, which is, I think that was £69, so quite a bit considerably cheaper as a starter kit. But then this now I can start adding to and building up the smart things around the home, putting onto the HomeKit and using either Amazon or Google, and building up that way. So I've shown you exactly what you get in the box. That's everything that we need to look at here. What we'll do now is we will go and quickly have a run through showing what it can do. So from the unboxing, in here all I've done is I've plugged this in to the back of my Wi-Fi router, and as you can see it's already powered up. So all I need to do now is activate it in the app, and we're good to go with the lights in the bulbs. So now that we've unboxed them, just to give you a little example as to exactly what they do. Turn on living room lights. Change living room lights to red. Turn off living room lights. Oh, it was going so well. Oh. So there you go, a little bit of fun, but really handy. You can alternate them. I'll show you here. So we can have the lights in 2 separates. So I can turn that one on, change that to blue, to green, or just have it as a white light. And then the second one, if I want, I can change that to green and have that one as white or blue. So you can also change exactly how bright they are. So you can go to the percentages, to all the way to off, and then go back, turn both lights off. But with Home, which is obviously the Apple product, then I can do this all on my phone or on my watch. So it depends exactly how you want to do it. So I would say the phrase, but that will stop this recording, so I'm not going to do that, and that's why I've used this, and I've used my watch, which I press and hold, saying turn on living room lights. There you go. Because I left that really low on blue. It thought it was on, but it wasn't. So, like I say, a little bit of fun. You also get in that the switch, which controls it, so I can use that to be able to turn them on and off. That can be positioned anywhere or even put onto the wall there, and it's magnetised, so there's magnets on the back and also a plate that you can stick on with the stickers, so that will stick like that, or have it on where the sofa is, turn it off, turn it on, dim them down, or cycle through the different presets that you've got to off. So really pleased with these. Also, because you can control them whilst you're out of the property through the hub on the app, so whilst you're out, if you do see something on one of your cameras around your property, then you can turn them on. You can also schedule them, so you can set them to different times, again for that security aspect, or even so that when you're getting up in the middle of the night and you want to maybe visit the facilities, then you can do that, and you can set it to night light, which is a really low light, so you can do that from the comfort of your bed before you even get up to go. So it is a little bit of a novelty, a little bit of a toy, but great fun to play with. So that's the Hue light system, and so I thought I'd bring this to you to show you exactly how it works. So I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks very much for watching. As always, you know what to do on YouTube. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever. Like, comment, subscribe, that'd be fantastic. So thanks very much. Catch you in the next one.